Hi everyone, we are Resti and Ika going to present our paper called Creative Culture Created During COVID-19 Pandemic, the Phenomena of Book Club and Information Dissemination. People share that they pile books to read during self-isolation under the hashtag. Panic buying happened, followed by the question, do I have enough book to last? New form of book clubs by using the internet have set in spite of isolation and lockdown, such as Resti's Book Club on Bigo Live social media in Indonesia. Book Club can help us see this connection and the way those who participate in it engage in self-formation, not as an independent activity, but as a social practice. The research problem coming up is how is creative culture defined and deployed by Resti's Book Club? What values and assumptions about creative culture are reflected in the reading practices advanced on Resti's side? What participation position does the book club construct for the user of Bigo Live in the process? To what end? What role do the book club books themselves play in supporting values and assumptions about creative culture expressed on Resti's side? The novelty is book club illuminates the way that individual acts of reading and writing are connected to larger cultural, historical, social, political system and social media sites, an example of what Kumasi termed as academically oriented content. It may be little narrative of creative culture, socially relevant and culturally responsive to the information habits and literary practices. The way Resti's audiences uses creative culture as a tool, perhaps instead of being simply transformed by creative culture, we argue her audience transfigures its uses for their own purposes. The objective to study the idea of creative culture as a social practice as its guiding principle to investigate the content of thinking about reading and writing associated with Resti Book Club, examining the values and assumptions about creative culture. We argue that the book club is an example of creative culture as an ideological practice implicated in power relation and ingrained in specific cultural meanings and practices. The goal is to advance theories about the ways creative culture is always already embedded in and embodies the practices, beliefs, and values of a culture. The urgent is to indicate the power of social media such as Bigo Live urge the process of creative culture such as the revival of book club unexpectedly along with information dissemination give advances during the hard time of COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia. In spite, Bigo Live had bear negative impression at the beginning of its performance during disruptive conditions give impact to the live long learning and advantage to its user in Indonesia. By using quantitative research method with interview and data dissemination, Google Form, to respondents whom are Bigo Live official and user from Bogor specifically in the Yasmin area and also in Kedung Halang. The method of proposed sampling taken from the population of 120 users from district areas, the sample of 30 is set. We answer the question above by examining each of the constitutive elements of Resti Book Club, including its host, the show, Bigo Live site, and the book selection, in order to learn how these pieces work together to tell a coherent story or alternative about literacy and the promise it offers of the individual and cultural aspect. The results show that Resti site bears distinction between public and the private. It is not sufficient to say that the breaking down of boundary is central to our view of the ideological work of social media chats. The book club activity loosely adheres to a new set of rules in the expanded field of a postmodern image economy whose productive instability. Its play with established boundary is exactly how it works. How Resti site plays with the boundaries between real and imagined intimacy. How the activity works to create this confusion is what interests us. Book Club plays a central role in granting Resti the authority to tell hundreds of users what to read. The book club and the chosen books Resti performed identifies such change as an important function for general readers. Creative culture may still serve primarily as a tool or a technology for such people. which is to say a device for doing something, for bringing about change, for accomplishing some purposes. Rusty hosted 6% book club, which then growing into 13% and then becoming 30%. The success of the book club results in part because of the ways it is carefully woven into the program's existing fabric of entertainment, self-improvement, and social reform. Rusty's academic background in library science combines with the ideologies of self-improvement and cultural uplift to promote this fantasy of transformation. Book, which I have shown, also play a leading role in Rusty's personally literacy narrative of progress. Self-making within social media culture can be realized, not just along the surface of the body, but through the cultivation of the mind and spirit. Literature has always done such an extraordinary job of provoking community and conversation. Today's self-made woman is not only required to make money, but in order to be perceived as in control and therefore successful must look good while making it. Bigger Life Authority as a creative culture sponsor is established and maintained by uniting the theme of intimacy, self-improvement, and good taste. Sponsors lend their resource and credibility, and in return, they benefit from their success. In her reciprocal relationship with Bigger Life users, Rusty offers her credibility with the promise of self-improvement and moral uplift. The conclusion is creative culture define and deploy on Rusty's side in terms of its function, what creative culture can do for individual, and its uses, what individual can do with creative skills. Creative culture function on Rusty's side to confirm its underlying values and assumptions, as well as its discourse pattern and theme, consistent with the format of daytime chats. The interpretive practices found on the show focus on the problem solution book over. On Rusty's side, invite participants to use books as a means to examine their own life and make them better. To that end, books are interpreted via therapeutic discourse and Rusty's message of individual empowerment and self-improvement. Power, Authority, and its sponsorship of creative culture in an attempt to better understand the implication of Rusty Book Club for creative culture studies and current ideological approaches to creative culture as a social practice. Thank you for your attention.